What's going on, boys? We're gonna hit some trail, do some trail riding. We got Josh on his Honda CR125. We got Taylor on the Husky FC450. Oh yeah, heads up riding, baby. When there's this much mud here, you gotta be prepared. Oh. You gotta be prepared to take any sharp corner. Even with the mud, there's always going to be a special spot in my heart for some trail riding, man. Love it. Always will. Hey, we're ripping. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. Tight stuff. Up, woo! Yeah, just a light tip over. We back. This is a cool way. This is cool. You good? focused on the best path to take, because you never know how deep some of these mud holes are going to get. How'd you get sideways, dude?
I gotta get one right.
All right, we got some tight, technical, sloppy. Just came back onto the track. What the heck? Somehow. Hey! What's up, buddy? Funny seeing you here. Cheat real quick. It's like ice out here right now, bro. Slippery as crap in some of these sections. I feel like I got a flat. Oh, I think I do. I am sliding everywhere. Oh no! Yup, she done. Damn! I was riding around in every single corner. I was slipping and sliding. And there you go, there's your culprit. Absolutely flat. Dang. That sucks. My day ended much faster than I thought it was going to end. I was only about halfway through this riding day and I got a flat tire. First time I've ever gotten a flat tire in my life on a dirt bike, so that kind of sucks. The tire looks fine, but the tube is obviously ruined. And I did a bunch of jumps on it while it was flat. So I'm hoping that I didn't bend any of the rim or the hub, or I don't know. I'll look at it more once I clean it and go home and take it home. But thank you guys so much for watching the video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.